YouTube, custom watch faces are back in full effect on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and not just there, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025, Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I think it's gonna go back to the Galaxy Watch, 7 and all that stuff. Neither here nor there, they have finally fixed the custom watch face app that I generally teach you guys how to use. So I'm going to teach you guys how to get custom watch faces like this. We got Rolex, Breitlands, Tudors, and so forth, as well as I have some custom third-party watch bands that we're gonna show you guys on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. As you guys can see, I'm wearing my first and most favorite one, which is the stainless steel one. Links down in the description to everything. And hopefully I can find the watch face links and whatnot. It's been a while since I've done this video, as we had to skip it last generation. Let's get into the watch bands first. So, stainless steel watch band. This brings the Watch 8 Classic into a very classy, uppity, like traditional smartwatch look. And this is something that you can rock 24/7 or just out on the night or whatever when you want to look, whatever. Like, this is an everyday, all day watch band that has multi-usage and multi-wear. Now, the watch bands that I have on the side to show you guys, a lot of them are comfort driven, because I'm gonna be honest, when I want that sauce, I'm going here, or I can go here. This is like a hybrid, so it's comfort slash it kind of has that up, vibe with it. These two right here, if I'm trying to dress it up a little bit. Now, let me show you guys the other bands. And the great thing about this new generation, last generation had a cool one too, but they changed it up again, is this just easy, quick release. I like this. It's even better now. So the first one I'm gonna show you guys is this stretchy, braided style one right here. Snap that in right there. It's stretchy. You could probably just slide it on, but that would stretch it out for sure. So we're gonna slide that in right there. You just pull it to your size and swing it around and click it into its little thing right here, which is pretty simple. That wasn't bad at all. And this is the fit. Let me switch up the watch face. Give me a second. And here's this band with a new watch face. This thing is comfortable. It's stretchy, so you already know it's gonna have give and play, like if you need to be, movement driven or active, and it's very light. Like this right here, this combo right here is really nice and light on the wrist. And it's a little bit more heft to it in comparison to the other two comfort bands I'm going to show you, but I really like this one, while also having a nice thick braided band to it as well. So we got this one right here. Oh, and to release this, all you do is just pull these pins and that comes loose. Slide that down, stretch out of there, clip. Look how easy that is. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you guys, this is a nice stretchy one. This one's intended to be stretch driven. Click it in, click this in. Got a nice little black and orange vibe. I'm definitely gonna switch the watch face and go to an all black one. Let's see. Slide in. Magnetic. Nice. Woo! Hold on, let's switch up the watch face. Actually, I could just do it here real quick. Double tap. Wait, where my Breitland? That's just plain Jane. There we go, Tudor. Boom. And boom. What a nice band. So this band is very light, very free, and very stretch, and very much forgiving in comparison to like the standard band that comes with the Samsung hookup. Now I know Samsung has their bands that are active and whatnot. If you want to go that route, you can. A lot of these bands that I'm showing you, they going up for the low. And a lot of them had discounts on them. So I'm gonna put the links, hit the links, try to get the deal as soon as they can. Hey, listen, this stainless steel one, I started to send a lot of traffic over there. Yo, that vendor, I think they took notice. So I don't know, inventory going fast and prices changing. So get it while they last and get it fast. If you guys like anything that you see here, hit those links instantly. So this one's really cool. But the next one is kind of like on the vibe of this one, but taking it a little bit further. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on, let me get this off really quick. Slide that off, pull this, bam, we out of here. One button, two buttons, and then we come here with this one, right? Click it in. It's another black and orange band. A lot of these bands have all black offerings as well. I just grabbed the black and orange for, you know, the color pop and whatnot, but you can get this in all black or different colors. So this is not the only color offered in this band or the other black and orange band that I show you, or the other black braided one. They all have different colors. So click the link and check that out. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Check that bad boy out. I like this one. I like the way this one wears. I like thick band watch bands sometimes. Like, I like thin when I want to be free. This one obviously is thicker, so it's a little bit, you feel it on you, but it has a little stretch to it, not a lot. This is definitely not the stretchiest one. I'm gonna say this one definitely is the stretchiest one. So if you want super flex, you go this band. If you want in between, you go with this one, because this one's in between the two. And then this one's the not so stretchy, but light, a little bit more forgiving than I guess either one of these would be. So I would say, you know, the obviously thickest, heaviest, but yet classiest. This one goes next in the area of just classiness, as far as just classy. I'm just rating these on like a tier. Then next I would go with this one as far as like in between classy / sporty. This one's definitely sporty right here. And this one's obviously super like sporty adventure style band or whatnot. Let's change the watch face. We could just double tap here. So that's very fun and tactical looking for those of you who like that look and that vibe. So I didn't get a ton of like metal. Sometimes I would do like the Milanese style bands and whatnot. Actually, that's what I had on my original Galaxy Watch Ultra. So another style of band that I like is like these Milanese metal bands. I'll link one that can work with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the new buckle system. But I like these too because they're very like easy to adjust to any size. All of these bands have that ability. You know, these, obviously you size them and then the holes, but the holes sizing on these are really good. I have an approximate 6-inch wrist and these all work perfectly. This style band gives you that metal, but it's a lot lighter than this type of metal. I do all 316L stainless steel bands when I pick them. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Now, let's talk about custom watch faces. As you guys can see right here on the Galaxy Watch 2025, I have a blue watch face on here. Hold on, let me see. Let me go back in here really quick. Boom, another blue watch face. So this is the beauty about traditional watch faces like this, the custom ones. They're very much traditional and, you know, familiar. And they also can be color matched to, you know, the vibe. So this right here, oh yeah, I'm vibing with that. Matter of fact, let's put it on wrist so you guys can see it really. Maybe I'll get some bands for this and do an updated video in the future if you guys want it. But as you guys can see, blue watch face, custom traditional watch face with the blue body. Fire. Absolutely love that. How do you do it? Okay, so the first thing you need, Watchmaker. And then you need Watchmaker Premium. This is just the licensing to allow you to use the import feature in custom watches. I purchased this a very, very long time ago. I don't know what it goes for now, but I know that the Watchmaker Premium is what you need. And it was a one-time fee when I grabbed it, nothing on subscription. When you go into Watchmaker, this is what it's gonna look like. This is the home, this is not where we're going. Right here to the far right corner, you tap there. This is going to be empty when you first get it, but you're gonna go into import watch. Now, as you guys can see, I have a quick share because I quick shared from my older Samsung device that had all of these watch faces, and this all populated here. So I have all of these watch faces right here that I've been, you know, holding on to and passing phone to phone over the years, right? That's where you're gonna import it. There will be a link, if I can find it, to the watch faces where you can download them. You're probably just gonna have to search it. Last time it was like this blog type of website that you could just scroll down, find the watch faces. You had to kind of like go all the way to the bottom to find a download link. You would download it onto your device and then you would open that watch face and it would go here into Watchmaker. Now here's the key as to why these watch faces weren't working at first, and you're gonna see it when I import one. Once you import it and it's here, you're just gonna tap on the watch face, then you're gonna tap here. This is gonna send it, but it's also gonna convert it to the watch face format. That was the big hiccup that kept the older watch faces from not working on the new system because it's dedicated to that watch face format. Okay, so on the watch, before any of that stuff, before even importing and sending it here, you need the Watchmaker companion app, which you can get from the Play Store. So literally you would go into your app, scroll down, you would go into Play Store, you would tap search, and you would type in watch, you would search it, and the top result is usually the Watchmaker Watch Faces app. You would install that. Once that's installed, you'll have access to the app. And what you're gonna do is, you'll tap on the app, and then there's gonna be all these watch faces. Now, a key thing, when you first use it, Samsung's gonna ask you for permission to allow this to change your watch face. You have to click allow and allow this to be able to change your watch faces. But once you do that, you send anything here, and then you can set your watch face. As you guys will soon see, it's gonna change in just a second. So when it's sending a watch face or you're changing it, it'll black out for a second, and then that watch face will load. So I was just able to load this, as you guys can see. You could change like the watch quality and set it to high, but I think it just naturally, with this new format, has a high resolution. So that is the gist of how you do this. Now, I have a lot of nice watch faces. I'm gonna be, cycling through them, showing you guys a lot of different ones on the screen and whatnot, but man, oh man, am I happy to finally have these watch faces back. I use these all the time, year after year, and I just love them. If I want to change my watch face, typically, since I have the double tap to the most recent app, I could go in here, I can scroll around, find a watch face that I want to change to. Let's say this gold Tudor. Tap it, and it should switch out to it just like that. So that's how it works properly. Let's show you guys some other ones. What else we got up in here? What was at the very end? Oh, let's try this one. This one kind of has like a burgundy style tone look to it. Really nice. So look at that. It's just such a classic vibe for a classic watch. And this is why I love doing this. So if the tutorial wasn't as simple as you needed it to be, just understand, you get the Watchmaker app, right? And then you need Watchmaker Premium. So Watchmaker app, I have Watchmaker Premium. That's just a license that allows me to put custom watch faces. Then you're going to go to a website that hopefully I can link, or you can search online like, Rolex or Breitling Watchmaker, watches, and find them online, download them, get them onto your device, and then import them. To show you the import process one more time, I'm gonna go back to the app. Let's go to my hidden folder. Bam, Watchmaker. Now again, Watchmaker is probably gonna open up here on the home. I don't want none of that. I'm not trying to buy any of those. I'm just tapping here to the corner, and then in here I can hit import watch. I'm gonna go to my folder. I'm gonna find the watch face. Literally, watch this. I'm gonna just tap one. I probably already have it loaded, and you'll see it'll just load in, and then you can just tap right there, and that will send it. First, it's gonna convert it to the watch face format. Then it will sync it to your watch. And then after it's done, it'll be on your watch, just like that. So that's the simplest way to put it. That's the best way to put it. Oh yeah, another great or cool minimal accessory that I grabbed for the Galaxy watches that I use all of the time to charge it is this Spigen charging, puck little stand. So you can go ahead and put the puck in place. It can come out on either side, and it allows for you to just set your watch down on it for charging. So literally you'll just place your watch there, and it's super just convenient. And the cool part about this one is it's pretty inexpensive and minimal. I could find a more, expansive charger, but this is what I use right now for all of my Galaxy watches. Links in the description below to all of these watch bands, or if you want to pick up the Galaxy Watch, Ultra 2025, or the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, which is by far my favorite. Or even if you want to go back and grab like, the Watch 6 Classic and whatnot, or Watch 7, or just the regular Watch 8. This also works with the regular Watch 8. It's just all about app and software. Now that this software is finally up to date, you can have watches just like this. My name is CJ. I'm the smartwatch guru. I know tech, so you don't have to, even though I know you guys know everything. Peace.